Just making a little video of, I don't know what they call it. I've seen them on quite a few people's milling machines for tapping stuff around. It's a piece of brass shaped with a drilled, threaded and screwed in soft end and a heavy piece of brass. I'll call it a discombobulating stick. But I'm just going to start making it now. So first job, face it off, drill it and thread it 8mm to take the arbor that I've got, so it'll screw onto that, and then we'll start shaping it with the ball turning device and see where we get. A bit rough, but there's no point in going too silly on that, because that's going to have the soft part screwed in. So do I turn it round and face off the other side, or do I do all the work I need to do here? I need to do all the work here first. So see so many people do this, and as they hit the face of the piece of work, the drill jumps off at an angle. And try telling them that the tailstock's out of line, and they always reply and say no, it's not. Right, I better be careful there, because I don't know what size I need. 6.8. How deep we're going to go? So there, start, 0. I think I need a new battery in this DRO, it's starting to fade a little bit. I have to go in deep enough so I can get a tap in there without it bottoming out. See what we think, 20mm? Yeah. 5. 20. This tapper go, which is one of a set I've got from I'm sure plenty of you have seen these set of drills and taps, and they're coming out correct tapping drills, and they're HSS, and you know they're really good. I've drilled lots and lots of holes with these and they've not rolled off at all. Really good. £9.99 I think. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but as soon as you run backwards with these, with an Albright chuck, it unscrews itself. That's the only disadvantage of them. So I'll leave that like that, I'll take it out and do it by hand. You'll have to turn this down no matter what, because there's a little bit of a mark there, which I did with a hacksaw, cutting this off. To turn it down, but let's go it onto the mandrel and gently do it. It's putting a centre in though, doesn't it, in the other end, otherwise I'm going to bend it. That mandrel's not going to be strong enough, I wouldn't have thought, to support me turning it down. go. Yeah, it's too wobbly anyway, it's going to need turning down and facing off. Right, I'll turn that down, face that off, come back and start shaping it, see where we go. I don't want to make it a long video. If you can see that, but the bar is quite a bit out of round, or wobbly on my mandrel would probably be more like it. See how it goes, working with ball turning device on the end of this. With it being stuck off the mandrel so far, I don't know how successful it'll be. I'll just go real steady and see what happens. Yeah, that's cleaned up fine as that. Right, I shall swap over the tool post. Take this off. It's not a big job to do. Take out them. To know which is the right and the left of these now, I've actually blued that one up, so I know the one that's blue is the right hand side. And these are my little homemade slugs which go in like that. That lifts off. That lifts on. Come on. One ball turning device fitted. I guess that's enough for the hammer face, isn't it? You don't want to be too small. It's only a tapping stick. Alright, I'll start making my shapes in here then. So I need to turn all this down, turn it all round now to make it into a radius cutter. Because the mandrel's not stable enough. I mean, does that tell me I need to drill a little centre in there and bring a centre in to steady it? I can always fettle that out afterwards if I don't go deep. Give that a try. revert to paper. 320, 800, sorry 600, and this is 1000. Not bad. So I need to turn that down and put a thread, 8mm thread on it, screw into there, and then turn the whole thing down till it matches the size of that. That means gripping that in the vice, in the chuck. I don't know. Wrapping with something really, something aluminium. About a coke. Right, that wants an 8mm thread on it. An example, you start off with a box of drills. See, I can get a camera out. Start off with a box of drills, and this is how you end up. They're just tap wrenches, drills and reamers. So yeah, more tap wrenches, die wrench, various hole cutters, diamond cutters, taper cutters, step cutters, normal starrettes, box of dormer, an association of drills. Some of them are very, very good quality, some of them are absolutely rubbish imports. I mean, for example, them, I bought them off a guy at Carbota, absolutely superb drills. I'm not sure the make, I don't think, yeah it does, it says GCDC, whoever that is, ADZ something or other, HSS Cobalt 9.6mm. I ain't sure, but I think I give him 50p each for them. I think it was dirt cheap. Anyway, what I've come for is an 8mm die, an 8 die. That's what that is. Stick this back on its holder. Excuse the jumping about for a second. I'll probably edit it out. It's a GoPro and it's actually screwed in. Right. That's right up now. So that needs to be mounted in here in such a way as I don't scratch it. So I'll make some wrap up. This is why it's so slow going with delving. One discom knockerating stick. Tap tap tap. Tap tap tap. I can live on milling machine. How much? Well, that one out, but that one I did buy a length. I think it were £8, so it probably cost me £4. I've scratched that a little bit there with sandpaper. Need to fettle it. Yeah, so £4. I don't know whether you can buy these. I don't even know what they call them. A gavel, don't know. So there we go. Nice little job for milling machine. Still got pot mark in the end, but no point in taking it out. Thank you for watching.